Have you ever stopped to think about your thoughts? I mean, really think about thinking? It's a pretty wild idea, right? Like staring into a mirror that reflects another mirror, our minds are constantly reflecting on themselves. But this simple act of introspection opens up a whole world of questions about who we are and how our inner world works. This is the fascinating realm of the philosophy of mind. We all have this inner world, a private landscape of thoughts, feelings, and experiences. But what exactly is this mind we speak of? Is it separate from our physical bodies, a kind of ethereal soul? Or is it simply a product of our brains, a symphony of electrical impulses firing away? These are some of the big questions that philosophers of mind have been grappling with for centuries. The philosophy of mind is like taking a deep dive into the very essence of what makes us human. It's about understanding consciousness, that magical feeling of awareness that we all experience. How do we explain this thing that makes us see the world, feel emotions, and ponder the meaning of life? One way to think about the mind is through the lens of two major schools of thought, dualism and materialism. Dualism, championed by the 17th century philosopher René Descartes, argues that the mind and body are two distinct entities. It's like imagining your mind as a ghost pilot operating the complex machinery of your body. On the other hand, materialism proposes that the mind is simply a product of the physical brain. Think of it like this: your brain is a supercomputer, and your thoughts and feelings are the software it runs. It's all interconnected, with no need for a separate mind substance. So, which is it? Is our mind like a separate, ghostly passenger, or is it more like the intricate software running on our brain's hardware? Dualism has a certain intuitive appeal. After all, we all feel like our minds are separate from our bodies. We can imagine ourselves existing without a body, like in a dream. But materialism offers a more scientific explanation. We know that damage to the brain can profoundly affect our mental states. Think about how a concussion can alter someone's personality, or how Alzheimer's disease can rob us of our memories. This suggests a strong link between the physical brain and the mind. The debate between dualism and materialism is still ongoing. It's a philosophical puzzle that continues to fascinate and challenge thinkers today. Making sense of it all, from cartoons to computers. Understanding the mind might seem like a daunting task, but we can use everyday examples to make these complex ideas more relatable. Think about your favorite cartoon character. They have thoughts, feelings, and personalities, right? But we know they're not real. They're just drawings animated to give the illusion of life. Similarly, our brains are incredibly complex organs that create the experience of consciousness. Just like the animators behind the scenes of a cartoon, our brains generate the illusion of a separate mind. Or consider the computers we use every day. They process information, solve problems, and even learn from their mistakes. They seem intelligent, but are they conscious? Most people would say no. This comparison helps us understand that complexity alone doesn't equal consciousness. Keep those cogs turning. The journey continues. The philosophy of mind is a journey of exploration, a quest to understand the most fundamental aspects of ourselves. While we may not have all the answers yet, pondering these questions helps us appreciate the wonder and mystery of our own existence. So, the next time you find yourself lost in thought, take a moment to reflect on the incredible machinery behind those thoughts. It's a fascinating journey into the very essence of what makes us human. And who knows, you might just stumble upon some mind-blowing insights along the way. Enjoying the video? If you're finding this fascinating, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others who might appreciate it, and drop your thoughts in the comments. And hey, if you're not subscribed yet, make sure to click that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more thought-provoking content.